Hello, K. Jolie, Crochet Basics. And this is a preview vlog that I've been doing for about 3 months now, I think. 3 or 4 months or whatever. So this is number 19 on the vlog train. And so don't break the chain and all of that. And I kind of like don't have like much to say, I think, this week. I started doing time blocking. So I set an alarm clock, an alarm clock. I set an alarm, and when it goes off, I, put the earbuds in and I start, editing videos and stuff like that. And I'll sit there for, like maybe 2 hours or something. And that's like working out because I'm making it so that I don't have to because I've been getting so antsy for months, for like over 7 or 8 months. Every time I sit down to edit a video, within 10 minutes I have to get up for some reason. For no real reason. I just kind of like feel like, why am I sitting here? Why am I sitting here, So that's like really annoying, because I just want to get these videos done. I have a whole bunch filmed. I have a whole bunch planned, So time blocking was from The One Thing, I think. So that book, that's Keller and Papasan or whatever. And if you haven't read it or even catch the audio on that, they tell you how to pick what your one thing is. Not really pick it, but figure it out, I guess. And then get better at it and practice and all of that. So, I like that. I just started, I don't know if I was trying it before, but now it seems to be working out better and I'm getting more time and concentration in to actually edit the videos. So, I was sick like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I walked through a perfume cloud and started choking, and since then my throat's just been so rough. So I know I sound raspy or hoarse or whatever it is, which is so annoying. It really is, because as soon as I start, even though I'm fine, but my throat is so raw, whatever, so every time I walk up to somebody or whatever it is and I start talking to them, they take a step back. They're like, she's going to get me sick. But I'm not actually sick. The cold passed. My throat is just taking its time from choking so badly on a perfume cloud at the drugstore. Lovely, right? What else? Spring is here and the allergies are just, whoo. And really, I'm just trying to keep it together, I guess, So I'm still working up Helen. Her ears are her ears are a bit hard, the shaping on the ears. So that's kind of where I'm at with her, her arms and her legs and her body and her head, her whole body shape and everything. That's done. It's the ears and then doing the hair is where I'm at with that. But I'm just trying to move forward. I'm so, I don't know. I'm so all over the place, I guess. But I'm trying to get it together and keep it together and hold it down and all the things, right? All the things you're supposed to do when you have to adult and be the grown-up and all this kind of thing. And figure out what's for dinner every night. And I think that's really where I'm at. Just taking allergy medicine and trying to keep it together and move on from where I'm at and get to just a better place, physically and mentally, I think. So, I don't know. I guess I'm going to end off here for this one. Number 19 on the vlog train, I think it's 19. So, thank you so much for watching, as always. Happy hooking because it keeps you off the streets and keeps you out of trouble. And I'll be back real soon with my next video. And it should be a tutorial, actually, because I'm almost done with the back to school one. Even though school is ending, right? Because it's already May. It's already almost the end of May. So I guess you'll make it all over, make it during the summer and have it ready for September. I swear that one just kept getting pushed into the, into the back burner. Boots came along, Backpack came along, the Baby Alive, Talking Baby Alive came along, and you know, all these other little patterns and stuff that just push that one back so much. So I guess it happens, you know. You gotta figure out what's what for the time, I think, you know, strike when the iron's hot and all that kind of thing. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So as always, if I didn't say it, happy hooking, because it keeps you off the streets and keeps you out of trouble. And I will be back real soon. And have a super great day. Thank you for watching K. Jolie Crochet Basics vlog preview, and just trying to get somewhere. Have a great day. Bye.